Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever looked in the mirror at night and thought, my skin looks dull, tired, and just not glowing anymore, this video is for you. Because today, I'm sharing the exact night skincare routine that completely transformed my skin in just 10 days. Yes, you heard that right, 10 days. My skin went from rough and uneven to soft, glassy, and glowing. And I didn't even need expensive products. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share one secret ingredient that changed my skin overnight. Let's start with the first and most important step, cleansing. Throughout the day, our skin collects dirt, oil, makeup, and pollution, all of which clog pores and cause breakouts. I always start with a gentle oil cleanser or micellar water to remove sunscreen and makeup. Then, I follow up with a foaming or gel-based cleanser to remove any leftover impurities. This two-step cleansing process ensures your skin is completely clean, yet not stripped of moisture. Remember, clean skin equals glowing skin. Next up, toner. Many people skip this step, but a toner balances your skin's pH and preps it to absorb the next products better. I use a hydrating toner with ingredients like rose water, rice water, or niacinamide. Just pour a few drops into your palm and pat it gently into your skin. Don't rub. Instantly, you'll notice your skin feeling fresh and hydrated. Now comes my favorite part, serums. At night, our skin goes into repair mode, so giving it the right ingredients is key. For glowing and even-toned skin, I use a vitamin C or niacinamide serum. If your skin feels dry, go for hyaluronic acid instead. These serums brighten, fade dark spots, and give your skin that healthy, lit-from-within look. You'll literally wake up looking more radiant each day. Never skip this step. Moisturizer locks in all the hydration. I use a light, non-greasy night cream that nourishes the skin without clogging pores. Massage it in gentle upward strokes. This not only helps with absorption, but also improves blood circulation and gives your skin a natural glow. Your skin will thank you in the morning. Okay, here's the secret step that made the biggest difference in just 10 days. Once or twice a week, I apply a honey and aloe vera mask before sleeping. Mix 1 spoon of raw honey with 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. Apply it on your face for 20 minutes and rinse it off. This combo deeply hydrates, heals acne marks, and makes your skin baby soft overnight. Trust me, you'll feel like you just had a spa facial. Finally, the most underrated part of skincare, beauty sleep. Your skin regenerates while you sleep, so make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours every night. I also switched to a satin pillowcase, which prevents friction and keeps my skin smooth and hair frizz-free. When you wake up, drink a glass of water before checking your phone. Your skin will feel hydrated and fresh from within. And that's my simple but powerful night skincare routine that transformed my skin in just 10 days. You don't need a 10-step routine, just consistency, good products, and self-care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite nighttime product or ritual. Thanks for watching, and remember, glowing skin starts at night.